In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could check your CPU temperature here on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do first is go ahead and open up your task manager. So hit this little search bar down here, type in task manager and open it up. And once you're in here, go ahead and find performance on this left-hand sidebar. If you don't see it, go ahead and just open up this and then hit performance and you'll see it now. And this is where you're going to see your CPU usage, your GPU usage, and of course your GPU temperature as well. However, Windows does not show the CPU temperature here in Task Manager, which is honestly pretty annoying. So to check CPU temps properly, you're going to need to download a free tool. So open up a web browser of your choice and go ahead and search specifically for HWINFO. Hit enter, and then from here, go ahead and select this first little link. This is going to be the official website. Go ahead and select free download. Hit this little X on this ad. Find the installer right here and go ahead and then hit free download. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is download the file itself. Once it downloads, hit yes, and then go through the setup process by just hitting next a few times, accepting the agreement, and then hitting install. Hit start. It's going to go ahead and examine all of your CPU information. Go ahead and hit close on this, and you're going to be able to see a lot of information on here. It may take a second to scan your computer, but once you're in here, go ahead and scroll down until you see the CPU temperatures tab, and you'll be able to see your current temperature, your minimum, maximum, and then your average as well. And it really is as simple as that. This is going to let you monitor your CPU while idle or under load. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.